Well, they are getting more now.
No.
Go, Power Rangers! So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 poles in the holes. First hole in the ground. This is how you dig a hole. First the kufu, you loosen it up, nice soil, and then you take the spade. We're busy breaking down the old coop. These are the 5 Brahmas we have left. Beautiful. And we're getting 50 more high lines. This is the roof sheets. And this is the poles where the new coop is going to be. Yeah, kitty, we're making more eggs for you to eat. We're making more eggs for you to eat. So, today, day 2 of coop building, finally. Jeez, this place. Anyway, here we go. We're closing up this coop now. The roof sheets. And so on and so forth. Let's go, coop build. This is the new ladies. They're a bit shy, they don't know yet I'm bringing the food. So they're running around. But yeah, they're looking good, they're 19 weeks. 19 weeks. 2 weeks before they start laying. Morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. This is day 3. Yesterday was day 2. So we actually did quite a lot yesterday. As you can see, all the sides are up. So the roof is going here. Here we can go down the side. This is where you enter the coop. And yeah, the guys have been very busy making it nice. This is where we're gonna put the food and other dry stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be a really nice coop. We're busy closing the sides and the front, and then we're gonna start putting the roof on. The guys have been doing a great job. Huh? It's looking nice, my girl. Huh? Looking nice.
Here we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pushing, guys. Nearly there. Nearly. Let's push, Theo. Let's push. Yeah, I think it's fast.
Wind blows on the plate as well.
Yeah. There we go, guys. There we go. Yeah. Let's go.
I think there is. Oh, no, there is two there.
There is two, yeah. We have two here in front. There we go. Guys, pushing here. We're going. You can see nearly there. Guess what's coming now? Roof.
This is a hard plank.
Yeah, that's.
Last one.
Yeah. That's the last one.
How's that next to the fucking...
A ladder. Yeah, we're getting a... Guess what, guys? What's coming next? It's a roof. Here we go. Yeah.
So yeah, the roof is busy going on, cutting the roof sheets. Last one going on.